legacy endures almost 4 years after his passing, with the anticipated return of his Off-White x Nike collaborations embodied in the Air Force One low Sesame. First revealed at the Virgil Abloh, the Code's CO architecture exhibit during Design Miami 2022, the sneaker showcases his trademark features: Helvetica text, zig-zag stitching, silver swooshes, orange tab accents, and deconstructed packaging, while notably excluding the Off-White label and official imagery. Scheduled for a fall 2025 release exclusive to Qatar, the drop indirectly aligns with his Figures of Speech exhibit in Doha, underscoring Abloh's global cultural footprint. This launch highlights how he seamlessly merged sportswear, art, and design, cementing his reputation as one of fashion's most transformative figures. Fans worldwide continue to celebrate and embrace his creative vision, proving his influence remains strong even beyond his lifetime.